Hi friends, this is my seventh experiment. My seventh experiment is file operation using system calls. First thing is I have to write a C or C++ program to copy the contents of one file into the other file using Unix system calls. Here first I have initialized two fd1 fd2 and two character name, file name and file name 2, and a buff I mentioned here. First I have to enter the file name 1 and I am getting the values from the user using the open system call. First I am doing reading operation only. If the entered file does not exist, for that I am checking here. If fd1 double equal to -1, then the file dot exist. Else what I am doing is I am just reading all the contents in that file using size and I am outputting the contents of that file. And in the next thing is I am asking the user for the next file, which has to be copied over there, and the user enters over here, and again in the open system call I am just writing it. I am just doing writing only, and if that file does not exist, I am displaying it. The file does not exist, and if file does not exist, it will display here. Else what it will do is using write function. What I am doing, the f2 contents of the file is being copied to that file. That is, using size of, I am copying the contents of the file to that required file. Now we'll run it and see. The contents of the file is high, and I'm copying. Now I'm entering the next file. So the contents of this file, that is mag7.txt, will be copied to abri.txt. Now we'll see there. See, you're able to see hi has been copied over here. Then my next question is write a C++ program to concatenate two files and paste it in the third file. And next one is to append some data to the existing file using system calls. That is, just to append data means just to copy the data from one file to the next file. Now first, as before, I am just declaring all the required ones, and now first I am entering the two source file name, that is two files where it has to concatenate and display it in the destination file. So I am entering the two source file name, and the destination file also is being entered. First thing is I am opening the file. If file does not exist, it will display here. Else I am reading just the contents of the file. And next one is I am opening the second file. I am just writing, that is third file, sorry, the destination file I am opening here, and I am just writing it whatever is file is equals to -1, that is fd is equals to -1. I am just creating it. If suppose the third file, that is the destination file may be something else. If it may exist or may not exist. So if it is not existing, I am just creating it with that permissions, and I am writing here. Next thing is just I am opening the file, that is the second file. Here I open the first file, and next here I am opening the second file. I am just reading it. If suppose that source file is not available, I am displaying file not exist, or else I am just reading the contents of the file, and I am opening again the third file, that is the destination file I am opening here. If it is equals to -1, I am just creating it, and using else leak I am just copying all the files, and I am just writing all the files. I am just concatenating two files together. So the file has been copied. Now if I open the destination file, my 2 file contents will be displayed over there. See, I has been displayed over here. Then my next one is just same as the first subdivision. See here, I am just getting the first file, I am opening it. If file does not exist, I am displaying file does not exist. Just I am using a size of, I am reading all the contents of the first file, and just I am writing it in the second file. fd is equals to open. I am just writing everything, whatever is being read from the first file. Now we will run it and see. See, I has been copied. So this is all about my 7th experiment.